BIMdrag is a smart direct modeling tool with many uses. BIMdrag lets you change the height and width of walls easily. The tooltip appears to remind you that you have options. Pressing the Control key connects the wall's selected face to the nearest model element. Select a major wall face, and BIMdrag's default behavior lets you move the wall. Press the Control key and you can change the overall depth of the wall. Press the Control key twice and you'll create a copy of the wall. You can create additional copies by pressing the R key. When multiple walls are connected, the power of BIMdrag increases. The Control key allows moves, width changes, and copies, and the tooltip appears to remind you of these options. As your model evolves, BIMdrag gets smarter. Here, the only valid option is copy, and this becomes the default behavior. Finally, here's one last example of BIMdrag's context sensitivity.